Mellow back with another video from Smoking Metal Car Fun. If you like these videos, make sure you smash the like button, comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you can get all upcoming content for all the people who are new to the channel. But today's video is just me doing a little video, nothing serious. Just me how can I do a little unboxing today. So today's video is me unboxing some more parts for the Magnum, so that way I can get it ready for spring and new upgrades. So make sure y'all stay tuned and stay with the whole build. It's gonna definitely be awesome. I think it's gonna be crazy. And of course, Spirit, hey, where you going? Where you going? Hey, oh, you got stuff all over you. No drool. Look, you gotta be wiped off first. See, that's what happens when you have a Saint Bernard. Lord. All right, stop, sit. Thank you. Okay, I'll give you paw, but we can't rub up against me. But anyway, make sure. All right. Anyway, it's your boy back. But yeah, check out the merch hoodie on the wall. This was the first one that I made. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This was the very first that I made with the logo. I like it. But yeah, let's go over here and check out and see what we got in the mail today. This is a new package in the mail. Yes. Let's see. Oh, I got another package also around here somewhere. I think my wife took it back. She was talking about trying to take it back. But it was something. Hold on. I'm going to get right back to y'all while I try to peel this. Ooh. Nice. 3-inch. Yeah. That's how that thing gonna look. Sitting on the Magnum. Yeah. They like that. Brand new. Fresh out the box. But yeah, your boy went with the 3 inches because I don't think I can get the 4 inches with the quad tips. If I can go bigger, I think I am. But right now, we're just going to go with these 3-inch. So I think we'd be good. Y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait to see him on the car. Getting ready to stop past the shop and check on when we're going to do the fabrication to the Magnum exhaust. And see if we can get this chip ordered for the Magnum as well. Well, not chip, computer, shall I say. So, yeah. So yeah, that's the mission for today. Besides, I think I got another package at home for the Magnum. I think I do. No promises. Of course, your boy gotta get his mask. But yeah, that's here. She got ice on her right now. But yeah, that's here. It's time to go check on the Magnum. I'm ready. Alright. Hey! What's going on, man? Huh? go 4.
What did you find out?
Huh?
What did you find out? Oh, buddy.
I know, and that's what I'm looking at. I'm like, dang, I could have went 4 inches.
Oh, easy.
Yeah.
Those threes?
Those are 3 inches.
They don't look like
They don't look like 3s, but I measured
No.
them as well.
This is 3.
Yeah, and I measured it. I measured it.
You could have went 4s.
Yeah, I could have went 4s.
Yeah,
I was looking at some 4s too.
That rate, you're only going to lose a ½ inch on your circumference.
Right.
So you could have probably went.
I could have went 4s. And that's what I really wanted, 5-inch tips.
If.
Oh.
Because you're going to. These are 3s.
Yeah.
You're only going to go an inch higher.
Yeah.
And an inch wider.
Yeah, so I might be able to swing 5s. Ooh, boy.
You got like 208.
So I can go 5.
Yep. Even if I got to put them on, just give them a little.
Yeah.
You ain't going to notice that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Send them back.
You see me like.